Hey there. Want to use your Amex card with just a tap from your phone? Adding it to Apple Pay or Google Pay is fast, secure, and more convenient than carrying your physical card. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. For Apple Pay, open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add your Amex card. You may need to verify via a text or email from Amex. For Google Pay, open the app on your Android device, tap Add a Card, and scan your Amex card with your camera or enter the details manually. Again, quick verification is required. My crucial pro tip? Set your Amex as the default payment card. In your phone's wallet settings, you can choose your preferred card for transit or default payments. This makes tap and pay at terminals and in apps even faster, as it automatically selects your Amex. Just like that, your phone becomes your wallet, with all your card benefits intact. Do you use mobile wallets more than physical cards now? Share your experience below. For more tips on modern payment tech, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.